Hello. Okay, guys. So this is just an assignment brief for your demo SEO assignment. Okay. Uh, the assignment in itself is very straightforward. I'm just making a video to keep things simple and explain whatever is mentioned in this particular assignment mail. Okay. Now, if you just scroll down, this is the allocation which we have made. The serial number is provided. Okay. The keywords are given. The word limit is given. The titles are provided. This is the writer name. Okay, and the deadline is given. Along with this, a sample document has also been attached, which you guys can refer to. Okay, now this demo assignment is very straightforward and simple. First of all, I would like to address the concept of plagiarism. Okay, so whenever we are composing content, okay, we will automatically refer to XYZ different websites to avail information. It's not always possible that we are aware of certain cases and scenarios. Uh, that is why we always refer to different platforms, okay, to gain information, to read articles, to watch videos, to learn more about that particular topic. Now, if you simply just copy paste, that in itself is uh, an illegal procedure. Since we are working in the content industry, composition of content is an intellectual property. Okay, so the issue of copyright comes into play that you are uh, taking content, rather stealing content from any other place and representing that as your own. So that is illegal. Okay, so which we have to avoid. Now, how do we avoid that? First of all, I suggest we refer to, let's say, two or three different articles. Okay, we read those articles first. Okay, let's say paragraph wise, not in terms of sentences. Okay, let's say you read a particular article, the first paragraph. Now, what you're supposed to do is interpret it and compose creative content based on the understanding which you have gathered. Okay, that is the best possible way of avoiding plagiarism. Most of you guys, whoever have been selected, uh, the first sample assignment was free of plagiarism. That is one of the primary reasons why you have been selected for the final round. We are hoping that similar sort of content, not only in terms of quality, but also plagiarism free and following the instructions you guys provide as per the deadline provided. Okay. So this was the first issue of plagiarism. The second thing which I would like to highlight is related to keywords. Okay. Now I think I have already texted most of you to research about keywords. What are keywords actually? So keywords are nothing but, let's say for example, if you want to purchase a mobile phone, right? So what do? So we just type in mobile phone online on Google or any other search engine platform. Okay. Now whatever you type on this search bar automatically becomes the keyword. Okay. If you see, I've typed out mobile phone online out here, and Google is automatically recommending similar keywords which have been used in particular uh, you know websites or pages which have these sort of words: mobile phone online, mobile phone, online mobile shopping, okay, mobile phones. So keywords are nothing but what a particular individual is most likely to type on Google search bar. Okay, so what Google does is it tries to connect whatever you have typed with relevant pages which are available on the internet. So that is the primary reason of using keywords, right? So in our article, we will be using keywords and highlighting them in bold. Okay. So this is the primary instructions related to plagiarism and keywords. If any of this point is unclear, please feel free to message me or give me a call directly. I will address it separately with each and every applicant. Now moving on, we have instructions about the particular assignment out here. Okay, 3 into 600, which automatically means 3 articles of 600 words. Demo SEO assignment. This is the project code, and this is the deadline date, which is scheduled for 24th March. It should be April rather, 24th April, uh, 12 p.m. Okay, so we are looking for all the assignments to come to us as soon as possible, preferably by tomorrow. If not, you have a deadline of, okay, uh, 24th April. Okay, now let's look at the first point mentioned out here in the email. Content should be unique, informative, no marketing, no promotion, no branding should be done. Okay, so whatever content which we will be composing, yeah, so whatever content we will be composing will be completely general as per the topic provided to us, and we will stick to that without promoting or marketing any other company or any brand as such. Okay, uh, keywords. Okay, keyword density is 1%. So if the article is of 600 words, we would require you to use the keywords 6 times. Okay, now let's say, for example, if the keyword is Mercedes Benz service, so consider that sequence of words Mercedes Benz service as a single keyword. We cannot change that particular keyword. Okay, so Mercedes Benz service has to be utilized as Mercedes Benz service. That is it. We cannot change keywords, right? So that particular sequence, for example, again Mercedes Benz service has to be used 6 times in the article. Okay, add subheading, use bullet points to uh, increase, yeah, to increase the readability of that particular article. Now it really looks bad when an individual is reading one particular paragraph block which is of, let's say, 12 to 15 lines. The reader automatically loses interest. So what we do is write in short paragraphs which will be of, let's say, 3 to 4 lines, and we provide subheadings, bullet points, etc. to make it more attractive. Every article must have a proper introduction and conclusion. Okay, please make sure this is there. Abruptly ending the article or straight away getting into the point that the following are the 5 points, whatever, blah blah blah. That is not required. Spend at least, let's say, 50 to 75 odd words in introduction, and again same for the conclusion as well. That provides a good structure to the article. The client has requested, do not rewrite articles from one particular source. Okay, refer to 2 or 3 different sources which you are referring to, and provide references in your article in itself. Okay, paste reference link on top of every article. If you check the sample which we have attached out here, references are given. So this is something which we are looking forward from you guys as well. Okay, try to follow the similar writing style, structure, how it's organized, this particular article, with the references. The keywords are highlighted in bold, then the introduction is given, conclusion is also there, bullet points mentioned, subheadings given which have been highlighted in bold. So all these need to be incorporated in your write-up as well. Okay, okay, make sure to write in Australian English. Okay, so we are an international firm and we work with clients all over the world. So strictly sticking to the Indian point of view is not recommended, since these articles require an Australian approach. Try to write from an Australian perspective. Again, if the keyword contains, I don't think this is relevant because there are no city names here, so you can skip out on point number 8. Renaming each file, it's very simple. Your serial number, underscore, and the keyword is going to be there. So serial number, if you see, for example, the first one, 431 underscore, the keyword Mercedes Benz service. That is how you rename each file. Okay? And please keep sending part files as you come. Okay? Sample attached for reference. So this is primarily it. It's very straightforward. General titles have been provided. Should not be any issue in terms of research. You will find plenty of content available online with regards to the topics provided. The main thing is that you follow instructions, use keywords properly, Make sure to deliver on time. Ahead of time is better, so it smoothens the selection process. And finally, no plagiarism should be there. No plagiarism of any sort. Okay. If you guys have any queries, any difficulty, please feel free to text me. I'm always available. And make sure to submit this by 24th April. Okay. 12 p.m. Thank you very much. I hope all your doubts are addressed.